So if in the look of the garment where the garment is starting, this point will be 0, this point will be 1. 0 to 1 is the length, no changes, which we have taken 26.6 centimeter. These measurements are according to 4 to 5 year kid. They have mentioned age 4 to 5 year. In adult we have sizes small, medium, large, but if you go for kids it will be age always. 2 year kid, 3 year kid, we always say ना कितने साल का है, तो नहीं बोलते small size दे दो, age, right? So kids का हमेशा size chart will be according to the age. Then they are mentioned again, this we are drafting same as close fitted bodice block in which front and back are included. So half will be back, half will be front. So total it will be your chest. Adult we called bust, for kids it will be chest. So it will be half of chest, 1/4 of chest plus 1/4 of chest will be half of the chest, plus 3.5 centimeter each. For adult we have taken 4 centimeter in the close fitted bodice block. Here we are taking 3.5. So your chest is 59 divided by 2 plus 3.5 will be 33 centimeter. So 0 to 2 you have to mark 33 centimeter. You have to draw exact perpendicular line, and same 1 to 3 also you have to mark 33, and you will have a box. Whatever changes you have to do inside the box. 0 to 1 line will be your center back line, 2 to 3 will be center front line. This is your shoulder, okay, this is your waist, or you can say hem. See, this I am writing to explain you, right? No need of writing all this in your drafting. Next they are saying that we have to mark 0 to 4. So from point number 0 downwards, 0 to 4 you have to take 1.25 centimeter standard. No formula, no equation, just directly they have written. That means fix. 1.25 we are taking just for a slant shape, back shaping, okay. So for everyone you have to take 1.25 centimeter. Then 0 to 5 is arm side depth plus 0.5 to 1 centimeter. So this we are marking for the bust. See, shoulder line we have, waistline, only we need the bust line na? And if you see your armhole is ending exactly at your bust line, that's the reason for this length we are taking your arm side depth. Means arm side depth means the length, right? Why we are adding this 0.5 to 1 centimeter? Because we have a shoulder slope also, this extra part. So for that we take 0.5 to 1 centimeter, which is 14.9. We can take 15 also. So 0 to 5 you have to take 15 centimeter. You have to draw a line, and you will get point number 6 where it will touch this line. This will be 6. So this you can say your bust or chest line. Clear? Right? Now next is 4 to 7. So 4 to 7 they are saying this is 4. Obviously we have to mark 7 from here only. So now what measurement? 4 to 7 is half of 4 to 5, right? Which is, so this is 4, this is 5. 4 to 7 is half. So that means it will come here only, middle. So 7 is the midpoint. You have to draw a perpendicular line till half of the box, right? Now next 4 to 8. 4 to 8 downwards they have drawn a signal also. 1/4 of arm side minus 2 centimeter. Now 4 to 8 downwards. Now this we are marking for the shoulder slope. Point number 8, 4 to 8 is for the shoulder slope. You have to take how much? Your arm side depth divided by 2, sorry 1/4 divided by 4 minus 2 centimeter, which is 1.6 centimeter. So from point number 4 you have to go down 1.6 centimeter. You have to mark point number 8, draw perpendicular line till half of the box. That's it. Now 0 to 9 they are talking about neck size. Neck depth we already have, depth. Now we are talking about neck width, which is 0 to 9. How to find out? This is for the back. Your neck size divided by 5 minus 0.3. Your neck size is 28 divided by 5
plus 0.
यहाँ कुछ मिस्टेक है कैलकुलेशन. 28 divided by 5 minus 0.3. It's 5.3.
Plus
It's minus 5.3 it is.
mid size.
ठीक है. So 0 to 9 we have to take 5.3 centimeter. You can make a reference box and here you can give the neckline shaping. Okay. Now 5 to 10. 5 to 10 they are saying half of across back. Across back means only back measurement, and in this we are making half of back, that's why we are taking half of across back plus 0.5 for the east, which is 12.7 centimeter. So here you have to mark 5 to 10 12.7 centimeter. You have to draw perpendicular line but till one line, पूरा ऊपर तक नहीं. ठीक है. Where it will touch, this is your point number 11. Now 9 to 12 shoulder 8.2. So this is point number 9. This line we have marked for the shoulder line. So from point number 9 you have to measure where 8.2 centimeter is coming. So this point will be your point number 12. Means 9 to 12 diagonally it should be 8.2 centimeter. This length, and it should touch this line. So this point will be your point number 12. Now 2 to 13 neck width and neck depth for the front it will be same. So which is neck size divided by 5. No minus, no add, which is 5.6. So from point number 2 5.6 centimeter. From point number 2 5.6 centimeter. This will be 13. This will be 14. You have to draw reference box and you have to give the neckline shaping. This is the front neckline, right? Now from point number 12 you have to go down only 0.5 centimeter, this much. This is your point number 15. From point number 15 you have to draw a perpendicular line towards right. Now remember in the adult bodies block also we have taken 1.5. For kids we are taking only 0.5. Right? This is the perpendicular line. No need of any specific dimensions. Now same. We don't have any that. Shoulder will be same. So 13 to 16 diagonally on this line will be same. 8.2 centimeter. जितना आपका shoulder है as it is लेंगे. No changes. Clear? Now 6 to 17 inwards. What we have taken 5 to 10 minus 0.5. So 5 to 10 we have taken 12.7. So 12.7 minus 0.5 will be 12.2. So from 6 inwards you have to go 12.2 centimeter and you have to mark point number 17. From point number 17 draw a perpendicular line, small line. Now they are saying 17 to 18 is 1/4 of 4 to 5. So this is 4. This is 5. You have to measure how much centimeters you have. 4 to 5 divided by 4, which is here they already have calculated, which is 3.4 centimeters. So 17 to 18 upwards you have to take 3.4 centimeter, right? 19 is the, see in adult we have taken midpoint but here we are not taking midpoint. 17 to 19 is half of 17 to 18, which is midpoint plus 0.5. So जितना ये होगा, for it usually come 8 centimeter. So midpoint will be 4. But what they are saying, we don't have to take midpoint. We have to add 0.5. So 4 plus 0.5 will be 4.5. So from 17 we have to take 4.5 centimeter here. So it will be 3.5. It will be 4.5. And this will be point number 19. Draw perpendicular line where it will touch, that is 20. Side, ये side separate हो गया, this side will be separate. Now 10, like I always say in adult 2.5 we take for the back armhole shaping and 2 centimeter for the front. इधर 0.5 कम कर दिया. So 2.5 से 0.5 कम कर देंगे तो 2. एंड 2 में से 0.5 कम कर देंगे तो 1.5 और 1.75. So here diagonally you have to take 2 centimeter and here diagonally you have to take 1.5 or 1.75. This will be point number 21. This will be 22. Last, either adult, either kids, whatever garment we are making till the waistline, the front length will be 1 centimeter minimum to 2 centimeter will be extra. So we are taking 1 centimeter. This you have to join with a straight line. So this line will come till here. We'll give armhole shaping simply. This is on fold, CB, straight grain line. This is on fold, CF, straight grain line. This is back. This is front. Size 4 to 5 year. Size 4 to 5 year. ठीक है, वही child bodies block, child bodies block. That's it. So see,
Here no 1 centimeter.
no, only front we will increase, na. Otherwise, so we can take more length. The concept is that we have to increase only front length. We have done in the blouse also. We have done in the waist block also. Same concept. So now, the point is for the other garments we have taken our size and we have drafted. It's a kid wear. So you have to do the same. So no need of doing any calculation. What measurements they have given you, just take out your brown sheet and as it is you have to draft. After drafting this, then I will tell you how to trace and then we'll do changes for the frock. So today we'll complete the child bodies block also and the frocks also. किड का है ना, किड में तो आपको यही करने की ज़रूरत है, उतना डिटेल में नहीं जाने की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है,